Alrighty guys, welcome back to another video, and this is probably going to be the shortest endgame video of all time because I'm just going to show you guys exactly what to do whenever you are playing against a rook versus a knight endgame and they are stuck in the corner. And I just want to make this video because in the last tutorial I was like, one of the things you should do is keep your king out of the corner, keep your king out of the corner, but I didn't exactly say why or what happens when the king does go into a corner when it's playing against a rook. Again, who am I talking about? Just the king and the knight right here. So why does this king want to stay out of the corner? Well, it's because essentially no matter where they move, they already lost the game. So the only move that they have, well, they have two. The knight can either go to f3 or e2. Either way, the knight can be captured right away. So let's say it moves to f3. Of course, you can take with your king, but this is actually not even the best move for black. It's even more simple just to play a waiting move, and let's just say black goes to b2 and pretty much just forces the knight to move. Again, if it just moves away, then this is going to be a checkmate on b1. So the knight is usually just going to play, I don't know, something like back to g1, trying to hang in there, and then this is a checkmate delivered right on h2. The king has nowhere to go and the knight cannot take. Now, if you guys were saying, all right, so that move of moving the knight back was actually kind of a stupid move. It wasn't their only option. Well, yes, they had another option, but that doesn't really turn out too great either. So let's just say knight here, and the king still doesn't have to take it, although it could. Instead, if black plays this waiting move and instead of just moving away, the knight goes back to e1, then what black can do is just slide the rook down to b1, pinning the knight to the king. And now, of course, the knight is not allowed to move, so the king has to move. We'll say they go to g1, and now this right here is checkmate, given the fact that the black king is controlling these two squares and this king is attacked. So again, like I said, the shortest video ever. I just wanted to cover exactly why you should not move your king into a corner. Avoid that at all costs whenever you're playing an endgame against the rook with only a knight. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.